Hi everyone, welcome to 122 Northbrook Drive in beautiful Pine Township. You say you want to live in Pine-Richland School District, but you'd like a little bit of space. This beautiful home is sitting at the very end of a quiet cul-de-sac, and it sits on 1.5 acres, and we'll look at that in a little bit. But for right now, let's go in and take a look and see what this home has to offer for you. So welcome in. This is a beautiful custom home. You'll notice that is a marble floor. You'll also notice all the custom woodwork everywhere and a fresh neutral paint job. They also have multi-piece crown molding and a beautiful soaring two-story foyer that's nice and open. Let's take a look around. There's a first floor half bath that's also marble. It's beautiful. And here is the living room. Notice that the windows are almost full height, and everywhere you look you see nothing but trees and greenery. It's beautiful, it's peaceful, it has crown molding to it, and notice how open it is to the dining room. It's wonderful. So if you have a really large gathering, there's plenty of room. You can simply move the table through and you can have as many people as you want. Let's go take a look. It's also sunken down in here, so you'll see that the camera shook a little bit there. Look at this beautiful newer hardwood floor. It is gorgeous. It actually is better looking in real life than what I'm seeing in the camera. So this room actually has nothing but windows everywhere. You don't even need window treatments. It is beautiful. And look at all this beautiful trim. Now if you wanted to paint a room white, you could, the trim white. But if you bought new construction, it would all be white, but none of it would be hardwood. This is all hardwood. So the flow in this yard, in this house, is beautiful. Take a look out. Now that you see it in the camera, that's actually the colors of the wall. It's a beautiful muted green. It's like a heather green. It's absolutely gorgeous. Moving into the kitchen, you'll also notice that there is a first floor laundry center, which is very nice. And notice the chute from the master bedroom, really convenient. It's nice to have it right here. We now finally have it in our home where it's on the first floor as well, and we love it. So this kitchen has been updated since the home was built. You'll notice it's an all granite countertop. It's really convenient. It's a nice work surface. It's great for having people with you, and right there next to you, you can easily serve, so you know the dishes don't have to go very far. But your views are private. Take a look. We're going to go out there in a little bit, but it is 1.5 acres of privacy in Pine-Richland. That is really hard for me to get over. Getting back to the kitchen here, you'll notice that it's got a double oven, which is wonderful. And the fridge is in set. Everything here is stainless. It is a great open flow. Homes when they were built at this time weren't open, but this one is. Let's go take a walk outside. Look at this deck. It is stunning. It is private. It is peaceful. Let's take a look around. Do you see any neighbors? Neither do I. It's wonderful. I can't think of a small handful of homes in Pine Township that has this much privacy. It also has a beautiful canopy, so you can be out here when the weather's not great. It's also open, so you can be when it is. Try not to make you dizzy. So again, this is a nice open family room with recessed lighting and yet another walk out to the deck. That's a stone gas log fireplace. You just light it and it's on. And it's beautiful too. Great, nice open layout. Lots of windows. I'm going to turn around and show you what it looks like to the kitchen. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. All right, let's go take a look at the first floor den. Again, this is a sunken room. The den is also a sunken room. Hardwood everywhere. This is not MDF that you'll find in $750,000 homes being built right now, but it is solid hardwood and it is gorgeous. Built-in cabinets, Okay, so maybe you don't want a 1970s style speaker system, but that can be piped in music. It's wired for it, so that's great. And again, everywhere you look, you see nothing but greenery. You don't see the neighbor's home anywhere. And it is peaceful and it is quiet in here. Why don't we go take a look at the second floor? So the master suite, it's off on its own side, not near the other bedrooms at all. I don't think the video is going to do justice to just how large this room really is. Not only is it large, but it has a separate kind of a den study area. Let's go take a look at that. Now, if this was mine, personally, I'd probably make this a kitchenette so I could have coffee in the morning, just saying, and a place to read. It's beautiful. But this room is immense, and I don't think the video is doing it justice. There are also 2 closets here, 2 big closets, nice for storage. And the master bath has been updated recently with tumbled marble tile everywhere. That's a newer garden tub. It is not jetted, which is really a plus if you've ever had a jetted tub. And that view, again, it just looks out on the privacy. It also has a nice big walk-in shower. Kohler fixtures. Again, this has recently been redone, so it's really beautiful. And again, there's hardwood absolutely everywhere. Like all these doors, they're solid and they're beautiful. Let's go take a look down the hallway to the other bedrooms. Oh, while I'm here, I would be remiss if I didn't point out that they have decked the entire attic, so it's great for storage, really convenient. Here's the hall bath, double vanities. It has a newer acrylic shower, and it is big for your guests or for your kids. And here's bedroom 2. Now the giraffe you see there, it's easy to take off. It's low tack. We've actually had it off once, and we'll take it off again, so that's not a problem. Again, I want you to see all the hardwood trim that is all over this house. Usually by the time you get to the second floor, they've cheaped out and put up MDF. Not this house. The second bedroom is massive. And you'll notice that the bedrooms are all off to one side from the master. And here's the third bedroom. Beautiful, private, recessed lighting. And again, everywhere we look, we see privacy. So that's the upstairs. Let's take a walk down to the finished game room. And then we'll walk outside. Let's see if I do this without falling. Okay. Finished game room actually has a full suite as well. Ta-da! And here we are. Nice big finished space. It has a nook here for entertaining. As soon as I focus. And it has a beautiful walkout to a cement patio. It's gorgeous. Now we all know that it's 5 o'clock somewhere. So there's a wet bar, which has a convenient wine fridge as well. Okay, you may not like the countertops, but that is a quick and easy fix. There's also a full bath downstairs, which basically makes the 4th bedroom a suite. So let's say that you have a guest or a family member that wants some privacy. There is a lower level bath and bedroom that is beautiful, it is peaceful, and it is all by itself. So they can get themselves ready in the morning in privacy, and then they can join your family. Let's take a walk outside. Ta-da! Amazing. This yard is way more beautiful than the video shows, and it is a lot larger than you imagine. So you can see that we have a really large shed as we walk down to the lower level. You'll need it. You'll need a riding mower. But it's a great place to play or entertain. You can see mature trees everywhere. You won't find that in new construction. And this yard is impeccably well kept. It is beautiful. It is level. Not just Pittsburgh level, it is level. So let's take a look. That is an enormous shed. You're going to need it for yard equipment. But the trees are like a canopy here. It's beautiful. The sun is shining, but it is shady. It's a beautiful place to relax or play. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments box below. I'll address those a bit later. In the meantime, thank you so much for showing.